today in Kumlung. This is our first annual conference of TIPA, Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association. We began our journey from 2020 March onwards. We have conducted many social activities throughout, and through our struggles and good movement, we were able to achieve Kumlung Press Club also. And today, during our meeting, we will be forming a new committee body and we will declare as well. And we are looking for more social activities and social works and for the development of the media personnel positively.